Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about which Coinbase app you should use. I know that there are a lot of different Coinbase apps out there, and it can be hard to figure out which one is right for you. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the different features of each app and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Before we get started, I want to say that I'm not affiliated with Coinbase in any way. I'm just a regular user who wanted to share my experience with you. Now, let's get started. The different Coinbase apps. There are three main Coinbase apps: Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase. Coinbase is the most popular Coinbase app. It's easy to use and has a lot of features, including buy and sell over 100 different cryptocurrencies. Send and receive cryptocurrencies. Earn interest on your cryptocurrencies. Track your portfolio. Set up price alerts. Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro is a more advanced app for experienced traders. It has more features than Coinbase, including advanced trading tools, lower fees, access to more cryptocurrencies. Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet app. This means that you control your own private keys, which gives you more control over your cryptocurrencies. However, Coinbase Wallet is not as easy to use as Coinbase or Coinbase Pro. Which Coinbase app should you use? The best Coinbase app for you will depend on your individual needs. If you're new to cryptocurrencies, I recommend starting with Coinbase. It's easy to use and has all the features you need to get started. If you're an experienced trader, you may want to consider Coinbase Pro. It has more features and lower fees than Coinbase. If you want more control over your cryptocurrencies, you can use Coinbase Wallet. However, be aware that it's more difficult to use than the other two apps. Here are some additional factors to consider when choosing a Coinbase app. Fees. Coinbase Pro has lower fees than Coinbase. Security. Coinbase and Coinbase Pro are both secure platforms. Coinbase Wallet is also secure, but it requires more effort to set up and use. Customer support. Coinbase has excellent customer support. Coinbase Pro and Coinbase Wallet have good customer support, but it may take longer to get a response. I hope this video has helped you decide which Coinbase app is right for you. Remember, the best app for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crypto news and updates. I hope this script is helpful.